Sometimes we need to get some information instantly, and what we do actually, we download simply any free and unpaid version of PDF files. But unfortunately in internet we come across several paid version of PDF files. Well, some PDF files show they're free, but actually they are not. Now what we do, we go from one website to another website to know whether it's free or not, etc, etc. But it increases the level of insecurity because some websites are not secure enough. So now the big question is, how to download a free, safe and unpaid version of PDF files in your phone? How to download it? Well, now I shall tell you how to do all of those things. So if you want to know, then you have to watch this video completely without skipping any part. But before gonna start, I want to say, if you like this video, give your like, subscribe this channel, press the small bell icon button and share it to others. So without wasting any time, come with me just to look at this video. What is it exactly here? So now I shall show you how to download any free, safe and unpaid version of PDF files in your phone. So it's very easy. Simply open any browser. I am opening here Opera browser. You can open Chrome browser as well. Click on search bar and type there any topic's name which you want to download, whose PDF files. Even though I pertain to English literature family, so I want to download any topic's PDF file which is deeply connected to my subject. For instance, Macbeth. Type here in the search bar, and after that you have to write article PDF and simply search it. After searching it, you can see so many free, safe and unpaid version of PDF files. Let me download one of them. Well, simply click on it. So you can see here PDF is mentioned already here in this website. So simply click on this website here, you can see, and after clicking on it, you can see that it's showing me that you have to download it right now. So click on this option, download, and simply download it in your phone. And now it has been started by me. Well, already it has been downloaded. Now you can check it out in your PDF reader. Open it. So you can see it has been downloaded. You can go through this PDF file. You can go through it as per your choice. Well, I think this is the very easiest way to download any safe, free and unpaid version of PDF file from any topic or subject whose topic or whose PDF files you want to download in your phone. I hope it has removed the confusion from your psyche how to download it very easily. Still, if you feel that you have some confusion in your mind, you can write down and let me know in the comment box below. If you like this video, give your like, subscribe my channel, press the bell icon button and share it to others. So that's all for today. I shall come back again in my channel with another interesting video. So tata, take care and bye.